Okay, let's talk about installing a theme for your WordPress blog. And I have the test WordPress installation that I put up in our last video, so you can see that. And this is the 2010 default theme that comes with WordPress. And you know what? This is a pretty decent theme, but the very first thing that I usually do when I install a blog is to change the default theme to something that matches what the blog is going to be about, my personality. So I'm sure you're going to want to do the exact same thing. So I'm going to take you through probably the easiest way to get a new theme going on your blog, and then you can go from there. So what we'll need to do actually is to use two things. One is FileZilla. We talked a little bit about FileZilla before. That's an FTP program or FTP piece of software that uploads your files from your computer to your host server, which you could probably have hosted at either GoDaddy or HostGator. But basically, your host server is the computer that holds all of your WordPress files, has your entire website. So what you want to do is once you get FileZilla pulled down or any other FTP software that you want to use, you want to head over to WordPress, and I'm just using WordPress here because it has, or WordPress.org has a ton of free themes that you can use for your blog. Now, I'm going to be perfectly straight with you here and say that I am not a fan of using free themes because your blog tends to look like everybody else's. And I don't know what it is about free themes, but they tend to always look like they are free. So I always say drop a couple of bucks, get yourself a paid theme that you can customize to your particular blog, and it will definitely make it look a lot better. The premium theme that I use for all of my blogs is Studio Press's themes. They have some really cool looking creative over there, some creative themes. They actually call them child themes over at Studio Press. The one that I use for pushing social is called Agency, but there's a ton more. The Pros theme is pretty popular among bloggers as well. So definitely, I would use them. You also can use Thesis. Thesis is actually a blog framework, is a WordPress framework, but there's also a lot of designers who have themes around Thesis. There's themes. There's also Woo themes, which also has some pretty good ones. There's Press 75, so you get the point. There's a ton of different websites that you can go and get yourself a paid theme that will work out pretty good. So what I did here already is that I downloaded a theme here that I thought looked decent. This news theme here. So I already downloaded that. Once you have it downloaded, and then once you've expanded the zip file that comes down with it, then you're ready to go for the next step. Okay. So the next step is just pulling up FileZilla here and navigating into my WordPress folder. And what you want to do is you want to go into your WP content directory that's under your WordPress installation. And then you want to make sure that you have themes here. And this is where all of your themes are going to get uploaded. Okay. The next thing you want to do is if you're using WordPress, I'm sorry, if you're using FileZilla, then you want to go over in this pane here or this field and look for your theme that you want to upload. So I've already downloaded it and unzipped the file. So the file that I want to use is called news. All you have to do is grab it, drag it all the way over, and what it will do is it will start downloading, or I'm sorry, uploading the news theme into your server. So that's running through that pretty quickly there. And then after you get it uploaded, you pretty much are home free. And I'm going to show you it just a second here. So it's already uploaded news theme. So all we have to do is go back to the dashboard of our WordPress site. And you can get to the dashboard just by going to the URL of your theme and add /WP admin. You'll get a login screen, and all you have to do is go ahead and log in and then navigate your way to appearance, then themes, and then it will take you to this page right here. Okay, now since I've already uploaded the theme, what I want to do is just hit refresh. And if everything works out great, I should have my new theme here, and you'll see it right there. And all you have to do now is just hit activate. And it will do its theme, and it will tell you that this new theme is activated. The theme supports widgets, and you can go to the widget settings page, and we'll talk about widgets in another video. But if you want to test and if you want to go ahead and check and see how your front end of your blog looks now, just go ahead and hit test, or in this case, just hit the logo, and it'll take you to the front page, and you can check out what your theme looks like. Okay, so this is a pretty simple theme, but you can see that it's changed over and it's been uploaded correctly. Now let's go back, and I can show you how to. Let's say you're not happy with that theme, and you want to actually load up another one. Okay, you want to switch it out. And in WordPress, all you have to do is actually go down, find the one you want. 2010 is the one we just changed from, but I also uploaded another one here called Journalist. Let's say you just want to take a look at how Journalist looks. So all you have to do is hit that, okay, and hit Activate Journalist, and then it will change it over to the Journalist theme. Go ahead and click this link here, and it'll take you to your front end, and you can see how Journalist looks. So you actually can bounce around a variety of different themes until you get to the one that you like the best. Okay, so I'll go ahead and take us our way back to 2010. You can see that you can activate it right from here, and go to the front end to take a look, and you're all set to go. So that's how you upload a theme to your WordPress site, and how you change it over, and how you can check different themes to see how they look for you.